Welcome. So today we will discuss about the color. Colors in HTML are specified by using predefined color name or RGB values. HEX values, HSL values, and these are color values. On Node 2 we have color name, which can be specified by using predefined color names such as tomato, orange, dogger blue, medium, sea green, gray, slate blue, violet, light gray. On Node 3 we have color values, which represents red, green, and blue light sources. RGB is the formula of colors which specify by the values as here you can see. So now going practically.
So I will tell you how to change the color of your background page. See on web page the last text in desert is small or not the same, to resize it or apply the same properties which are on the above one. Simply cut this end syntax of font with // and put it to the end, or save it. So here you can see the change. The text of color is changed to the red, or text is resized. Simply same problem. Now I am going to tell you the method to change the background or background of a web page. So what you have to do, go to Visual Studio Code ND, place your cursor to the end of a body text within the bracket and press space, or type BG color is equals to colon and type the color which you want on background of your web page. After doing that, press Ctrl+S and go to web page or refresh. So here you can see the change. Same as any color you want. Let example, we type yellow here instead of pink, or press Ctrl+S. See.
So as you can see here, I am using div syntax, which is used to divide. After using this syntax, which change we will create will only affect the last paragraph. So first of all, you can see here my web page, so when I will create changes it will be changed. After using this we will use the class attribute and give the name as I am giving first. So now if we create any change in class with name of first, it will affect that whole paragraph, but for doing that we have to add the style syntax in head or between this type body, so changes will create in body. Now after pressing dot, give the name of a class if you wanna create change with properties. So after doing this, by moving to next line, we will use these brackets and type property which we wanna change. Like firstly, I am selecting color and chaining it to the red and save it. So here you can see the change. After changing the color, now we'll change the background color. Go back to Visual Studio Code and move to next line by pressing enter. After color, here we select the background color. We will select it as aqua and save it. Now refresh our web page. So here you can see we got the background color behind the selected text.